package shell.main, import java.awt.border layout, import java.awt.cursor, import java.awt.event.action event, import java.awt.event.action import java.awt.event.input event, import java.awt.event.key event, import java.awt.event.mouse event, import java.awt.event.mouselistener, import java.io.file, import yavax.swing.button, import yavax.swing.file import yavax.swing.frame, import yavax.swing.menu, import yavax.swing.menubar, import yavax.swing.menudum, import yavax.swing.jobshinpan, import yavax.swing.panel, import yavax.swing.islider, import yavax.swing.keystroke, import yavax.swing.event.change event, import yavax.swing.event.change listener, import yavax.swing.file import shell.sound.main, import shell.sound.studio, import shell.swing.wavepanel. Public class sound GUI extends frame. Public static sound GUI window. Wavepanel WaveView, menubar, menu file, menudum open, menudum save, menu generate, menudum generate syn wave, menudum generate saw wave, panel wave panel, panel wavy control panel, button zoom in, button zoom out, button move right, button move left, slider zoom slider, slider pause slider, button play, button stop, thread play thread. Public int selection start, public int selection stop. Double, wave equals new double, 1. Public sound GUI. Super, Java Audio Editor v1337. Double, equals, 1.0d, 2.0d, system.out.println, main.get from array, 0.5d. Menubar equals new menubar. File equals new menu, file. Open equals new menudum, open. Save equals new menudum, save. WaveView equals new wave panel, QWave. WaveView dotted mouse listener, new mouse listener. Add override. Public void mouse clicked, mouse event // to auto generated method stub. Add override. Public void mouse entered, mouse event // to auto generated method stub. Add override. Public void mouse exited, mouse event // to auto generated method stub. Add override. Public void mouse pressed, mouse event // to auto generated method stub. / selection start equals e.getx dash waveview.get pose asterisk waveview.get width / waveview.get zoom waveview.selection start equals int double closing parenthesis e.getx / double closing parenthesis waveview.get width asterisk waveview.get zoom plus waveview.get pose system.out.println e.getx system.out.println start plus waveview.selection start. Add override. Public void mouse released, mouse event / to auto generated method stub / selection stop equals e.getx dash waveview.get pose asterisk waveview.get width / waveview.get zoom waveview.selection and equals int double closing parenthesis e.getx / double closing parenthesis waveview.get width asterisk waveview.get zoom plus waveview.get pose waveview.repaint system.out.println stop plus waveview.selection end. Open action listener, new action listener, public void action performed, action event file user open file equals new file user, open file dot set file filtered, new file filtered. Add override. Public boolean accept file f // to auto-generated method stub. Return f.getNum. Ends with wave pipe f.is directory. Add override. Public string get description / to auto-generated method stub. Return wave sheet. If open file.show open dialog soundui.this == file accuser.approve _ soundui.this.fuave = main.do44100 studio.read open file.get selected file waveview.setWave qwave waveview.repaint zoom slider.set maximum main.lower cap qwave.length 31 zoom slider.set value main.lower cap qwave.length 31 boss slider.set maximum qwave.length waveview.get zoom boss slider.set value qwave.length waveview.get zoom soundui.this.set title Java Audio Editor v1337 plus open file.get selected file getNum / main.printwave soundui this.uwave open.set accelerator keystroke.get keystroke key event.vk_o input event.control _down _mask save.add action listener new action listener public void action performed action event arg0 file accuser savvy file = new file accuser savvy file.set file filter new file filter add override public boolean accept file f / to auto-generated method stub. Return f.getNum. Ends with wave pipe f.is directory. Add override. Public string get description / to auto-generated method stub. Return wave sheet. If savvy file.show save dialog soundui.this == file accuser.approve _ studio.save savvy file.get selected file soundui.this.uwave menubar.add file.add open file.add save generate = new menu generate sin wave = new menudum sine wave generate sin wave.add action listener new action listener add override public void action performed action event arg0 int f = integer.percent joption pan.show input dialog enter frequency int l = integer.percent joption pan.show input dialog null enter length plus audio.sample _rate plus sample / second integer waveview.selection and waveview.selection start toString double vol = double.parse double joption pan.show input dialog enter volume 0-1 double sign = main.generate sin wave fl vol soundui.this.waveview.set with selection sign soundui.this.waveview.repaint zoom slider.set maximum main.lower cap waveview.getWave length 31 zoom slider.set value main.lower cap waveview.getWave length 31 boss slider.set maximum waveview.getWave length -soundui.this.waveview.get zoom boss slider.set value waveview.getWave length -soundui.this.waveview.get zoom generate wave = new menudum wave generate wave.add action listener new action listener add override pub void action performed action event arg0 int f = integer.percent joption pan.show input dialog enter frequency int l = integer.percent joption pan.show input dialog null enter length plus audio.sample _rate plus sample / second integer waveview.selection and waveview.selection start Do string. Double vol equals double dot parse double. Option pan dot show input dialog enter volume 0-1. Double saw equals main dot generate saw wave fl vol sound to be dot this dot waveview dot set with a selection saw sound to be dot this dot waveview dot repaint zoom slider dot set maximum main dot lower cap waveview dot get wave length 31 zoom slider dot set value main dot lower cap waveview dot get wave length 31 pause slider set maximum waveview dot get wave length dash sound to be dot this dot waveview dot get zoom pause slider dot set value waveview dot get wave length dash sound to be dot this dot waveview dot get zoom generate dot add generate sin wave generate dot add generate saw wave manabar dot add generate set manabar play equals new button a circumflex play dot add action listener new action listener public void action performed action event arg0 sound to be dot this dot play thread equals null sound to be dot this dot play thread equals new thread add override public void run // to auto generated method stub super dot run studio dot play waveview dot get wave sound to be dot this dot play thread dot start stop equals new button a circumflex stop dot add action listener new action listener public void action performed action event studio dot stop wave panel equals new panel new border layout do wavy control panel equals new panel zoom in equals new button plus zoom in dot add action listener new action listener add override public void action performed action event // to auto generated method stub waveview dot set zoom waveview dot get zoom 100 pause slider dot set maximum wave dot length dash waveview dot get zoom // pause slider dot set value wave dot length dash waveview dot get zoom zoom equals new button dash zoom dot add action listener new action listener add override public void action performed action event // to auto generated method stub waveview dot set zoom waveview dot get zoom plus 100 if waveview dot get zoom greater than wave dot length waveview dot set zoom wave dot length pause slider dot set maximum wave dot length dash waveview dot get zoom // pause slider dot set value wave dot length dash waveview dot get zoom move left equals new button less than move left dot add action listener new action listener add override public void action performed action event // to auto generated method stub waveview dot set pose waveview dot get pose 100 if waveview dot get pose less than 0 waveview dot set pose 0 move right equals new button greater than move right dot add action listener new action listener add override public void action performed action event // to auto generated method stub waveview dot set pose waveview dot get pose plus 100 if waveview dot get zoom plus waveview dot get pose greater than wave dot length waveview dot set pose wave dot length dash waveview dot get zoom zoom slider equals new I slider 30 main dot lower cap wave dot length 31 main dot lower cap wave dot length 31 zoom slider dot add change a listener new change a listener public void stage changed change event arg0 waveview dot set zoom zoom slider dot get value waveview dot repaint pause slider dot set maximum wave dot length dash waveview dot get zoom // pause slider dot set value wave.length-waveview.get zoom. Boss slider equals new I slider 0 wave.length-waveview.get zoom. wave.length-waveview.get zoom. Boss slider dotted change a listener new change a listener public void state changed change event waveview.set pose boss slider.get value waveview.repaint. Wavy control panel.add play wavy control panel.add stop wavy control panel.add zoom slider wavy control panel.add zoom in wavy control panel.add zoom mute wavy control panel.add move left wavy control panel.add move right wavy control panel.add pause slider wave panel.add wavy view border layout.center wave panel.add wavy control panel border layout.north add wave panel set visible true seat extended state maximized underscore both public static void main string args window equals new sound GUI window.set default close separation exit underscore on underscore close system.out.println main.get from array new double 317 0.7d